Hello guys, this is the new Roksan Caspian 4th generation streaming amplifier. The streaming section, as you can see here from this logo there, it's based on Blue OS. Supports two apps. One is from Roksan and the other is for the streaming section for the Blue OS. Metal everywhere. The finish is almost grey, dark grey. The knob here is aluminum on the side. So we see the main knob here, how it goes out from the device. Very nicely. And we see here the heat sinks, one per side, covered outside with this special sassy part. And on the top there is the engraved line Roksan Caspian, but does not say generation 4, because there are other Caspians models from other previous years, previous generations. There are 3 knobs here for the streaming services. So if we go to stream, which is this one here, not this one, we see these 3 buttons here to lighting up. So on the back side we can see the 2 terminals for the speakers. They are far away, but that's good, not interference between them. So we have one phono stage inputs with earth grounding there, 2 analog ones RCA line level and 1 balance one line level as well. Outputs pre-out XLR, pre-out RCAs, and here we have another pre-out that can be used as a subwoofer out. What else we have? As we can see here, HDMI logo. HDMI is located exactly here, HDMI ARC to connect our television. And we have 4 digital inputs, 2 coaxial and 2 optical. We have a USB player there and the mains is there. So this is the Caspian streaming amplifier generation 4 2024 model. The heatsinks are here, very well made. As you can see here, heatsinks are covered on the side. And at the bottom we can see 4 feet elastic ones, but you can use your own one as accessory, whatever, because there are a lot of the market. So if we press this one, the amp starting up, it's very straightforward. We see the logo of Blue OS here, indications here of the volume. You see different inputs. We just press in and then we turn. There is a haptic vibration that to verify the input that we have selected. So nothing is missing here, everything is covered, even phono stage, Okay, I can see a headphone input for the headphones, so this is missing, I think. Quality of the product is very high and designed and made in UK, guys. Every aspect of this amplifier is very well made, very well designed, it's a beauty. So we're taking a look inside the beautiful Caspian streaming amplifier. We see the transformer there, we see all the parts here. So if we like to talk about specifications, Class AB amplifier, 105 watts at 8 ohms and 200 watts at 4 ohms. We see the main toroidal transformer here in the center, located exactly in the center of the device, so when you lift it, it's very well balanced. And the 4 capacitors for the filter. These capacitors are 10,000 microfarads. EPCOS is the name of the brand of the capacitors. 63 volts, 8,200 microfarad. These 2 capacitors per channel, per output stage. This board here, which has the HDMI, Ethernet, USB, consists of 2 boards. One is the streaming one, as you can see the Blue OS logo there. And the other one is taking care of the network, USB and HDMI. And this is the Blue OS card that is installed here. We see the processors, the memories of the Blue OS. This part, I don't know what is behind this metallic one. Probably the second power supply for the streaming section of the device. Underneath the shielded section here inside the amplifier, there is another power supply. You see it here that supports the streaming functions. This is the switching one. So this is the DAC based on AKM chipset as I can see. And underneath the DAC, the converter, there is the input section and the preamplifier section of the product. There is the phone stage circuit, MM, and then there's the analog inputs. The Caspian Generation 4, very well engineered, made in UK, guys. As we said, this is the main transformer located exactly in the center. Here are two capacitors of the filter, another two there, which are 10,000 microfarad each. This is the power section, the output stage, 100 watts at 8 ohms. You see this cable goes all the way from this side, from where these capacitors of 8,200 microfarad, this cable is going all the way back to the terminal, the speaker terminal. The same one repeats here. The speaker terminal and the cable behind, you see it goes all the way almost up to the front to the other power stage. The power supply, the switching power supply for... Thanks for watching, guys. That's all. The beauty, highly engineered amplifier Caspian Generation 4. Ready to rock.